Hi guys, welcome to Gloria's Platter. Today's recipe is how to make these easy and delicious roll-out cookies. These are not so sweet, they are just right. I will also show you an easy decorating method using candy melts. You need 2 sticks of butter and 1 egg. I am mixing the flour and baking powder together. Check out the description box under for exact measurements. I have left my butter bowl in a larger bowl containing hot water in order to soften it. Here is the sugar you need for the cookies. I will first cream the butter and sugar together. Add the egg and beat again. I am adding my vanilla extract now. Lower the speed and add 1/3 of the flour mixture. Beat well until everything is combined well. Repeat with another 1/3 of the flour. Pour the mixture onto a larger bowl. Add the rest of the flour and mix until a soft dough is formed. Dust the board with flour. Use half the dough so it is easier to handle. Roll into 1/8 of an inch in thickness. If you mess the dough, you can easily fix it by rolling over just like this. You can use any cookie cutter for these cookies. I am using an oval-shaped one. These cookies are a treat for my children in my preschool classroom. Cut into desired shapes. You can always re-roll the rest of the dough for more cookies. Place the cookies on cookie sheets. I am using parchment paper and placing cookies apart Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 7 minutes. Cool completely before glazing. I have candy melts here, which I will microwave for 1 minute. Stir it well and microwave for another 30 seconds. Now the glaze is ready. I can't imagine how happy my preschool children will be when they get these cookies tomorrow. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Why don't you give the video a thumbs up and share this with loved ones? I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.